Hey, my name is Corey Spencer. I work for Ace Avant Specialty Division. I'm a project manager. I've been here for roughly 19 years. Semi-rigid joint fillers are important for long-term concrete floor performance because they're not just a finishing detail. They're essential for durability, safety, and cost efficiency. Skipping or choosing the wrong joint filler can lead to premature joint failure and expensive repairs down the line. The flaw in using rigid epoxies or mortars and moving joints isn't always poor installation, it's material incompatibility. Rigid epoxy and mortars work well for static repairs, but they fail in dynamic joints. That's why semi-rigid joint fillers are used instead. They can absorb movement instead of resisting it, preventing both material failure and damage to the concrete itself. Semi-rigid joint filler is a polymer-based material, usually polyurea or epoxy, designed to fill concrete joints after the slab is cured and initial movement has occurred. A properly installed semi-rigid joint filler supports slab edges by bridging the joint, sharing and distributing loads, maintaining support despite movement. Edge support directly impacts floor longevity because it controls where stress is absorbed, prevents the start of damage, stops small issues from becoming structural failures. Correctly filled joints don't just look better, they deliver quantifiable ROI through lower maintenance spending and safer, faster operations. In high traffic environments, joint filling is one of the highest impact, lowest cost upgrades you can do to improve long-term concrete floor performance. Joint conditions directly influence equipment performance because it determines how much shock and vibration machines experience. Properly filled joints will extend equipment life, reduce maintenance costs, improve speed, safety, and reliability. Distribution centers and manufacturing plants are particularly demanding environments for concrete floors because they combine heavy loads, constant traffic, and repetitive stresses, all of which target the joints, especially the slab edges. Early warning signs of joint failure are subtle at first, but critical to catch. Edge spalling, debonding or separation, increased noise or vibration under traffic, repeated filler failure after repairs. Early intervention in joint maintenance is crucial because the joint deterioration is progressive. Small issues compound quickly, and the cost and effort to repair them grows exponentially over time. Facility owners need to take joint behavior seriously because the joints are the weak points in a concrete floor. If ignored, small problems quickly become big, costly issues. One piece of advice I would give: protect the joints first. Properly installed and maintained semi-rigid joint fillers to support slab edges and accommodate movement is the most cost-effective way to ensure your concrete floor lasts for decades instead of years. If you or someone you know is looking to get their joints replaced or new joint filler installed, give Ace Avant a call. We'll be happy to help you out in any way we can.